Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 2 of 9, Shaft. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name Shaft and select the folder Butterfly Valve. Say OK. Create a sketch. Select the YZ plane. Draw the profile for the revolved section. Start from the sketch origin. Enter vertical length of 18 mm and angle 90. Enter 28.9 length, angle 0. Enter 10 in the length, angle 90. Enter 89.8 in the length, angle 0. Enter 15.6 in the length, angle 90. Enter 24 in the length, angle 0. Enter 15.6 in the length and angle 270. Enter 247.1 angle 0. Enter length 28 and 270. Finish the sketch. Rearrange the dimension for readability. Finish the sketch. Select revolve. Section curve is already selected. To specify the vector, select the line 10 of the sketch. Accept the default. Now hide the sketch. Now create a sketch in this phase. Select include. Draw the profile of the keyway. Edit this dimension to 22 mm. Select make symmetric. Select the horizontal line. Okay. Edit this dimension to 16 mm. Select trim. Trim the unwanted curves. Draw a arc from center. Finish the sketch. Now select extrude. Specify vector reverse direction. Enter the end value distance 62.5 mm. Select the boolean operation subtract. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Now create a sketch in YZ plane. Select include. Draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Edit this dimension to 193.8. From this included point to this distance 15.1. Select include. Select project curve. Make this to reference. Now dimension this line to this distance. Enter 24.9 mm. This completes our sketch. Give finish sketch. Select extrude. Section curve is already selected. Select symmetric value. Enter the distance. Select subtract in the boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Now select chamfer tool. Enter distance 3 mm. Angle 45. Select this edge. Select the command in the search finder. Select symbolic thread. Select this face of the cylinder. Select metric fine in the thread table. To get M36 into 3, enter manual, enter the pitch diameter 3, enter the thread length, .9, select the hole tool, select the simple hole, enter the hole diameter 12, to specify the point, select the sketch section, select this face, create a line, convert into reference, enter the dimension 28, create a point, start dimensioning this point, enter the dimension 46.9, edit this dimension to 0, edit this dimension to 0, select linear dimension, select this point to this point, edit this dimension to 100 mm. Now finish the sketch, select normal to face, depth limit, through body, select subtracting the boolean operation, selecting, orient view to trimetric, save the file, close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 1, part 2 of 9, shaft.